AI is everywhere, even on our roads. Artificial intelligence is changing the world as we know it. From our smartphones to our cars, AI is making things smarter and more efficient. Even our roads are getting an AI makeover. AI is making our roads safer and less congested. AI analyzes huge amounts of data to design better roads. This data includes traffic patterns, accident reports, and even weather conditions. By crunching all this data, AI can identify areas for improvement and come up with innovative road designs. Imagine a world with fewer traffic jams, less pollution, and far fewer accidents. With AI road design, that world is becoming a reality. AI is transforming road design in many exciting ways, making our roads not only safer, but also more efficient and adaptive to changing conditions. One of the biggest benefits is increased safety, as AI can monitor traffic in real time and provide instant feedback. AI can analyze accident data to pinpoint dangerous intersections or stretches of road, helping to identify problem areas that need attention. It can then suggest design changes to prevent future accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. AI also helps us build smarter roads that can adapt to various conditions and demands. Imagine roads that can adjust speed limits based on real-time traffic conditions, ensuring smoother and safer travel. Or roads that can alert drivers to potential hazards ahead, giving them more time to react and avoid accidents. With AI, these possibilities are within reach, making our daily commute safer and more efficient. AI also makes road design faster and more efficient, allowing for rapid iterations and improvements. AI algorithms can generate multiple design options in a fraction of the time it would take human engineers, speeding up the entire process. This frees up engineers to focus on the more complex aspects of road design, ensuring that every detail is meticulously planned and executed. Around the world, AI is already making its mark on road design. In the Netherlands, AI is being used to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. The system uses sensors and AI algorithms to monitor traffic in real time. It then adjusts traffic signals to keep vehicles moving smoothly. In China, AI is being used to design safer roads. An AI-powered system analyzes traffic camera footage to identify dangerous driving behaviors. This information is then used to improve road design and signage. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used to design better roads. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. Section 4. The tech behind the magic: how AI designs roads. The magic of AI road design lies in its ability to learn from data. By analyzing vast amounts of information, AI can make informed decisions that improve road safety and efficiency. AI algorithms are trained on massive data sets of traffic patterns, road geometry,